It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
We got a suggestion to try name brand versus store brand. So we have Oreos and Great Value Twist and Shout from Walmart. So the boys are going to give them a try and see how they compare.
Mom, but I wanna try.
They both claim to be made with real cocoa. This one you had to rip the bag open and pull them out. The Oreos, you can pull them right out from the top, which makes it kind of difficult to reach them once they're running out and they're tucked in there. But then it seals back up again, so it stays sealed shut. So that's pretty convenient. First, we're going to try just the cream filling and compare them.
I wanna try one.
Yes, I've got one for each of you. All right, give that a try and see what you think.
It's some good though. Let me.
I already know what it is. It's Twist and Shout.
It's yummy.
I think so too. But
I taste.
that's berry.
It
tastes really good.
Lemon's better than Oreo.
It's tasty.
Okay,
Better.
now try one more.
I'll try one. It's good.
I can really taste the difference.
Yeah?
Twist and Shout creams are way better.
Well, you don't know which one is which, do ya?
Well,
Okay,
the first
so the
one's
first
way
one
better.
or the second one?
First. I think the second one because it's more thick.
Second.
Second is way more thick.
But
and the
I
first
want
is
to do
like
that
creamy.
one.
I like second. I like first.
Which one was better, Em? The first one or the second one?
The second.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, so you two like the second and you two like the first?
I like the second.
Oh, you like the second. You're the only one who liked the first? So the first one I heard was more creamy. What was the second one like?
Thicker. And it tasted kind of like onion powder.
Which one tasted like onion powder?
Second.
Onion powder?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, so 1 likes the first one, 3 like the second one. What do you think the first one was?
Twist and Shout. Yeah. Because I've known
Regular.
Oreos to be way thicker. Yes.
Mama, I want the regular.
Okay, and then you think the second one was Oreos?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
now try a cookie.
Oreos. Oreo.
You're the better.
All right, let's try the second one.
Way not crunchy, not much flavor. That one's Twist and Shout. And after tasting both the cookie and the cream, I think Twist and Shout are way better than Oreo. I think Oreo are.
Okay, so what do you think the second cookie was?
Twist and Shout.
And you think the first one was Oreo?
Yeah.
And you think the first cream was Twist and Shout and the second cream was Oreo?
Yes.
So, which cookie do you prefer? The first or the second?
First. No, second. I prefer the second cookie because it's nice and it's not that crunchy.
Yeah, there's more spoons.
Which
White
cookie
chocolate.
did you like? I meant the first one or the second?
The cream one.
The cream one? All right, you ready for the results?
Yes.
The first cream was Oreo. The soft, squishy, creamy one was Oreo, and the other one was Twist and Shout. The first cookie you ate was Oreo, and the second one was Twist and Shout. So, which do you prefer?
Oreo filling with just Twist and Shout.
I like Twist and Shout too.
Oreo. I actually would prefer the Twist and Shout cookies with the Oreo filling.
Mama,
Mix them up.
All right, so there you have it. Oreos versus Twist and Shout. So,
the Twist
overall, thumbs up or thumbs down
Double thumbs up.
for both of them?
Mama, I am doing it. Double, I'm doing double.
They're good.